Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working on OPPO A5m. Let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if every application that needs access to microphone actually has it. So let's go into settings. In the settings, we want to scroll down a little and head into security and privacy. In here we can scroll down and go to privacy controls. In here, head into permission manager, and this way we can see every single permission and how many applications actually have them. As you can see, here is our microphone. So let's click it to see more information. And as you can see, the applications are allowed to use it all the time, which is pretty good. And this is the list of applications that are allowed only while using. We can see our phone and our messages, which is a good combo since this way we know that microphone should be working on both of the applications. We also have recorder in here, which actually brings us to the next point of debugging session. We can open and, well, first we can search for recorder, but then we want to open it. As you can see, here is the recorder. And now you can simply start recording. Let's allow our little notifications. And as you can see, we are now recording. And judging by the amount of waves we see, our microphone should be working fine. So why are we doing it? Well, now when we save it, let's not bother with the name. Let's simply hit save. So now we have this recording. I'm not going to play it since you just heard it. And the microphone quality is amount of waves we see are pretty good. My problem with that and little bit of assumption is sometimes microphone problems are very broad. For example, it may be very microphone can be very low at volume and you can barely hear yourself. There may be some artifacts while recording, there may be some farting, some other random stuff, and having your recorder record your voice and the microphone quality is incredibly useful for diagnostic purposes. Because if you realize that your microphone is, for example, lower than it should be, or it's farting, then you can input this into Google search and hopefully you can see more specific information. But before I will end this video, there is one last thing I can talk about, and it's to simply clean the microphone port. You can do that using some sort of soft brush or a toothpick. Do not ever use anything metallic, so like needles or since they might break your phone very easy, and especially break your microphone even easier. And lastly, we can simply reboot our device. We can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume up button, and then going with restart. Why? Because whenever we restart our phone, we are not only restarting our software, but hardware as well, including our microphone. So if there are any reasons to worry about our new microphone, then this should resolve them, hopefully. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.